guys. So I know you want the way on how you can boost your credit score in a small span of time. So I'm gonna show you right now the ways that you can do that easily with no headaches. All right, so number one, you gotta remember again that your credit score is nothing but an algorithm of your personal financial behavior. Always remember that, keep that in mind. Remember, you can take everything off your credit report that is negatively impacting your score. It just takes a little time. But let's get into how you can increase your credit score right now. Let's dive in. So one of the main ways that you can actually tweak the actual algorithm itself is by adding positive data, aka trade lines. So the first trade line that I'm going to give you guys today is Stellar5. This is so simple to use, and you literally can use it right now and you would never know that you're actually using it. Stellar5 is an account where you can use bills that don't impact your credit score to impact your credit score, such as rent, lights, water, even Netflix and Hulu, etc. You can use all of these bills that you already pay for on a month-to-month basis and use it to actually boost your credit score. So what they have multiple memberships. The first one is the Prime membership. They will add a $500 trade line to your credit report. Now hold on, I know that sounds small, but just think, have you ever had something that was $20 and paid off on your credit report and how big of an impact it was? Think if it was $500. Exactly, it's still humongous and it's still major. Or you can use the premium account, which is something that I use, and it adds a $25,000 trade line onto your credit report. Now both, you're still just paying your actual bills itself. It's just the different memberships have different amounts that they report to your credit report. The reason why that I use the biggest one, the $25,000 trade line, is because it thickens my credit profile. So if I actually want to go out and actually obtain something such as a large amount or a large loan, things of that nature, they already see that I have a $25,000 trade line on my credit report. So it actually gives them more security to actually lend out way more money of what I'm asking. All right, and the next trade line is the Cheese Credit Builder. You can use them to put a positive loan on your credit report. No credit check, reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and it's a secured loan that will report monthly. It's your money going into a savings account that you will build up over time. And in the end, the terms that you opted for, and when you complete everything, you get your money back. So this is you keeping positive history on a secured savings loan. So when it comes to that, they have different tiers, and whatever tier that you use, just for example, you put $500, you're putting that money into a Cheese Credit savings account, and they're gonna report it as a loan that you're paying off. And then right at the end, minus a few small fees, you will get your $500 back. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, and the next one that I have is Boost Your Score. It's an app that also acts as a secured savings, just like the Cheese Credit. It's a positive trade line that they will add onto your credit report. For example, you can start out with the Mini Boost option. It acts as a $300 loan on your credit report, and it only acquires $30 a month. Remember, after the terms are done, you get your money back minus a few small fees. And remember, they add all positive info to the credit bureaus, boosting your score. And that's just one of the commitments that you can actually get with them. And also, don't forget, while I'm telling you how to add so many positive trade lines to your credit report, you have to start getting those negatives off your credit report. If not, this means no justice. So with that being said, you can also get your credit report for $1 from Identity IQ, and you can start disputing those inaccuracies off your credit report. And I have so many videos displaying how you can do that. I even partnered with Smart Credit where you can actually do it for you. So while you're actually impacting your credit score by putting all this positive on your account, release those negatives and get them off, and you're gonna be good in no time. And again, just like I stated, when it comes to the actual negatives, you wanna see what's actually negatively impacting your credit score. So, and again, if you find any inaccuracies as far as date last open, everybody's showing something different, that's an inaccuracy, and you can use that to dispute it off your credit report and get these things removed. So with that being said, if you just add half of these trade lines and start disputing negatives off of your account, you will see your credit score shoot to the sky. And not only will you have a high credit score, you will also be thickening your credit profile. And on this channel, we want thick credit profiles and not just high scores. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go get those trade lines on your credit report so you can get that 800 credit score and thicken your credit profile. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen.